Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to support creators on the Webbie social platform. Now, there are so many ways to support creators. You can support creators with your likes, your engagement, and just basically helping them push without finances. And you can also support them by patronizing their stuff or through the goals. I've already made a video explaining every single thing about goals on Webbie social and how to set up your own goals and everything as a creator on Webbie social. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can support someone else's goals. So remember, for you to even reach this page you're seeing on my screen, you need to have joined Webbie social. If you haven't joined Webbie social, please click the link under this video, just on the description. You'll see where you can join Webbie social, or you can go back to the tweet that brought you here. There's a link showing you, or there's a link that will direct you and help you to join Webbie social. So once you just click the link, you set up your account, and then you're off and ready to go. So when you join Webbie social, you will most likely be at the home page, and I want you to just go to the menu section just right here and come to goals. So when you click goals, you will come here, and here you can see every single person's goals. You can even see mine here. I'm still trying to raise some money to get a Starlink mini for faster internet connection. So this exactly is all the goals that are currently on the Webbie social platform. So once you just quickly scroll, you just have to find the one that is worthy of your support. Don't get me wrong, every single goal here is worthy of your support, but now if you can remember in my previous video, I kept on emphasizing on the importance of having a good description, because people like me, if I actually want to support, I always make sure I read the description to see why you want my support. Why do you need this money? You understand? We are trying to support each other here, and before you give your support, you actually need to know this person. You don't know the person before, and what would actually really help you is probably what this person has done before, or a beautiful description. So going through everything, let's just quickly see. I would most likely want to support someone that hasn't gotten any support or any amount raised. So I like this particular one. This person wants a laptop upgrade for limitless creativity, and just a real quick person says that he has been creating AI art since 2021. I believe this is the AI art. Very, very beautiful thumbnail. He's telling you he's been creating AI art, and you can see it here as evidence. And his laptop has been his main tool, but he's reaching his limits, and right now he's struggling with sales, and any support, big or small, will help him towards continuing his journey as an AI artist, and to bring his new ideas to life. So I really like what this description here is really good, and you can see that this particular person has been doing really great. So let's support this guy. So I'm just going to click support goal, and then once you click support goal, you have to connect your wallet, okay, because that's literally the only way that you'll be able to support this person. So if you click connect wallets, you choose MetaMask. I'm going to be using MetaMask. You click connect. So once you connect your wallet, you're going to be redirected to this place where you can choose the network, and then here you can see there's Polygon, there's Base, and there's Say. So I'm going to be using Say to support this amazing creator, and then for the purpose of this video, we'll be using just $1. Or as time goes, when I get more money, I'll definitely support with higher amounts. So once you do that, once you select the amount you want to use, you click donate, and once you click confirm, just wait a little bit. Beautiful. So here you can see that you have successfully supported the goal. So if you refresh this page, you will see that this person's goal is going to increase to $1. So let's just quickly refresh the page. Beautiful. So you can see here $1 has been raised. So this is how you can support creators on Webbie social. I still remain Yaks Republic.